Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today we have a very special episode for all you coffee lovers out there because I'm going to show you guys how to save a little bit of money and still be creative at the same time, because today we're going to be making our own coffee creamers. Alright, I'm making your own coffee creamer at home. Super simple. Like, why did I never make this at home before type of simple. There's a lot of benefits to making your own at home as well. The cost, for the price that you'd pay for one coffee creamer at the store, you could probably make 3 or 4 times the amount of the same equivalent. So, I mean, definitely price-wise, just makes sense. The other thing is the health benefits. Now, most coffee creamers at the store are loaded with oils and sugars and just stuff that's just generally not very good for you. Making it at home, you can kind of cut down on a little bit of the fats and the sugars and the oils and all that kind of stuff. So you can kind of make something that's like literally the same thing you'd buy at the store, but with a little bit more of a health benefit for you. And the last thing is you get to make your own flavors. I mean, how cool is that? You can just come up with whatever flavors you want. You can make like tiramisu, you can make like, caramel, you can make chocolate, you can do whatever you want to do. I mean, it's crazy the versatility of this recipe, and you can just kind of go nuts with it. So, I mean, for all you coffee lovers out there, to get your own customized flavor cup of coffee, that's pretty awesome. All right, now today I'm going to show you guys how to make 3 of my favorite coffee creamers. So we're going to make French vanilla, we're going to make Werther's original sea salt caramel, and we're going to make chocolate hazelnut. So if you guys are coffee lovers, you're not going to want to miss this one. All right, so who's ready to up your coffee game by making your own coffee creamers at home? Yeah, I'm excited too. Let's do this. Alright, that's how you make your own coffee creamers at home that are so good, you might have a coffeegasm. Can I use the term coffeegasm on TV? We're good. Alright, and that's all I have time for today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or ideas for a new episode you'd like to see, please leave them in the comment section down below. And as always, if you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe. And I will see you guys next week where I'm going to be making something pretty damn awesome. I'll see you then.